Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can connect a Rocky Linux VM that's running on VirtualBox, and this VirtualBox is running on a Windows 11 machine. So we're looking to connect this Rocky Linux VM to the Wi-Fi network, and it's going to be on the same Wi-Fi network as the host machine. Now the first thing we'll need to do is to determine the name of the Wi-Fi adapter on the host machine. There's two ways we can do that. The first way is to right click on this Wi-Fi icon on your bottom right and then select network and internet settings. Then you see your Wi-Fi here. To your right you can click on this arrow. You see the Wi-Fi properties, click on this. If you scroll down you see where it has a description. So this is the name of the Wi-Fi interface or the adapter. So Intel R Wi-Fi 6. And the second way is by using the control panel. You can just search for the control panel here. Then go to network and internet, network and sharing center. Then click on change adapter settings. Here you'll see a list of all your network interfaces, including your Wi-Fi interface. Again, here is the name. Once we've determined the name, we can go ahead and configure the settings for the VM. Now right click on the VM, go to settings, go to network, and then go to under network adapter. You want to select bridge adapter, and then here you want to select from the down arrow, make sure you have the Wi-Fi name or the interface for your Wi-Fi that we just determined. Okay, then you click OK, and now you can power on the virtual machine. So we'll start the virtual machine, and what we want to do now is we'll check if the virtual machine has pulled an IP address from the wireless router on the network, and also we'll check to make sure that it's on the same subnet or network as the host machine, but with a unique IP address. Okay, I'm at the login screen here. I'm gonna enter the password, and then I'm just gonna use the terminal to check the IP. So I'm in the terminal. I'll check the IP using the command IP address, and I do have a valid IP 192.168.1.110. Now on the host machine, which is a Windows 11 device, I can also check the IP. I can open the command prompt and we'll do ipconfig here. We'll look at the Wi-Fi adapter here, and the IP is 192.168.1.120, and as you can see it's a unique IP. It's different from this. So the subnet mask is a /24, which is 25.25.25.0. that's the mask. We can see if we can ping this IP. Ping 192.168.1.110, and I'm able to ping it. And this device should have internet access as well. So I'll open Firefox and let's search for, you can just go to Reddit, and there you are. So that's all for this video. That's how you can connect your Rocky Linux VM on VirtualBox to the Wi-Fi network. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.